So for months, almost a year now, Democrats have been insisting, as you can see here in just this sampling of images, that masking up is a way to show solidarity, that we're all in this together. They also make other claims. They also claim that if it's worth doing if it just saves one life, which is a fallacy. That the lockdowns, the masks, are all worth it. That it's, let's see, right here, shouldn't be willing to halt economic progress if it saves just one life. This one here is the most interesting. No policy can save lives. It can only trade lives. And here it is, even back in 2013, if we save even one life, that's the standard. With that, as if that's some sort of rule. Which then begs the question, if the Iran-backed militia had just been quarantining and wearing masks, would it have saved their lives? So for years, Democrats have been advocating that that they care about people. If you believe that Democrats care about people, then I feel sorry for you, because I don't think there's any way to get through to you. It's not about saving lives. It's about saving certain lives. It's about advocating for certain things. Because a bomb strike on Syrians, I'm sure they were quarantining and wearing masks. Usually militias do sequester themselves and cover their faces. They've been doing this since before COVID, and it didn't save any of their lives. But the airstrike shows that no policy saves lives, it just trades which ones are lost. And if you believe that Democrats care about your life, then I'm sorry, you're lost, and hopefully your life won't be.